everyone, how is everyone doing? Welcome back to episode 2 of the road to Wekest. So today's plan is as follows. I'm gonna just head over to Costco real quick to meet up with Andy, probably to get something to eat. Then the primary focus of today for the WRX is to make mock-up Canards. You guys will definitely see what I mean by insane Canards, okay? So let's go ahead, drive over to Costco real quick, okay? Alright, so I just made it over to Costco. I'm just gonna meet up with Andy and get something. So I'm gonna leave you guys right here. So anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit, okay? Alright, y'all, I am back. So we just ate pizza and stuff. And freaking, I have a lot of cardboard in the back, and we're about to go and do some mock-up Canards on this.
Then I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path.
Let's go ahead and knock this out. But this is gonna be a very long process, cause yeah. Let me go ahead and get all of the cardboard out. There's a bunch of cardboard. Look at this. Look at this. I got this. I got this one right here. I think these two are enough, just in case if I make any mistakes. You know, before this, I was watching a lot of YouTube videos on people making DIY ABS plastic, you know, aero parts. And I found a good method because my bumper is very curved right here, but this part is very simple, but it's just right here that's gonna be a pain, and also right here. But I'm excited for this. So to make my life easy, I'm not gonna remove the bumper, I'm not gonna remove the Aeroflow Canards that I have. I'm just gonna lay it on top, and hopefully, well, it's flat anyway, so there's no issue. But let's go ahead and get started. So basically, for the aero part that I vision is basically dual, but it's gonna take inspiration from the Evo X Voltex style Canards. So I'm gonna mock it up right now. Sharpie, good stuff. So when I was searching YouTube for DIY, I saw one of this video where this guy cut slits right here along the cardboard so it could mold, like it sort of bends for the curve. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I mean, it makes it more easier, you know. So what Andy did, how it was straight, he just cut a little slit right there and made it to make an angle. Get that part. And then let's put it, necessarily a rough idea. It's not perfect, but it's a rough idea. I know it looks wonky as fuck, but slow steps. Alright, so for this part, let's go ahead. You're gonna push this part, and then I'm gonna draw a line right here, and then we're gonna cut it. Rough sketch. I don't know if you guys can see the line, but right there. Cut this thing up. Let's see what we got. Hopefully it's not too wonky. Cut. Now let's go ahead and put this on. Yeah, it could be like sharp. Yeah, sharp. So my idea was this part, this line right here, make it straight out this way and go up. My main concern is how my splitter is so short, unless I make a side fin that extends all the way out, but that's gonna look weird.
Yeah.
It doesn't look right. Unless I say fuck it, have the canards wider. Yeah, literally that's how much room we have of play. While we're hard at work, you know what I realized? That I am a freaking picky ass bitch. There's like so many options of canards, and you want it to make it like stand out, and it's, I don't know, you want it to make it look nice, and there's so much options out there, but we're still at it. We're making another big template just to make it cleaner, because we already drew too much. What is that, like, how would you explain? That's like mathematics
Some
type of
geometry
graph.
shit.
Yeah. Find the parabola of X and Y. Template number 1, and he's gonna do it's gonna follow the body line, go out then up, and then we're gonna use another one and replicate the Voltic style where it goes just like that. You have to go. It's really freaking hot. Canards are a pain, especially when you're picky, but we're gonna get through this. We're gonna make this happen. It's only stage 1 of the mock-up. Who's that? It just came from the Sears boys. This is what template 1 looks like. We're just gonna make it a little bit wider. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you could. Right there. You guys see how this part is, maybe probably clean this up, maybe go straight back or straight more, so we could get the top wider. I mean, my splitter isn't that wide, but I'm gonna add extensions, and yeah, let's go ahead, try to work on the other, or the bottom part right here. Boom, boom. Right here actually. I'm going with the body line, just to make it look cleaner. Alright, so I finished the freaking boomerang canard piece. Let me go ahead and tape it up. So I taped both of them up together. Now, this is how it looks like.
Wider to the top.
Oh, look who showed up about 4 hours late. Oh, he has a package.
New car part!
Yeah, he hasn't seen it, dude. Look.
You haven't seen my new car part, huh?
No.
Ready?
So this is gonna be pretty much what I'm gonna go for. Just a little bit of final touches for the Canard project. Oh, that's a good name, the Canard project. But anyways, with this, expected time to get the plastic probably within my next paycheck, 2 weeks. Comment how you guys like it. So, let me see. So how do you guys like that? Comment, say yes, no, maybe, good, aggressive, I don't know. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you in episode 3 of The Road to Wekest. Episode 2 out.
Don't zoom in on me!